Radar is showing the wintry mix in pink has turned all to light snow now across the region. This is light snow, but it is happening, and it's happening right now. There's also more to come. The heaviest of activities between Sinton and Taft. Also in the downtown area right now. It's not overly heavy though. And then stretching over to the southwest side of town down 286. And then out here around Tierra Grande and out around Highway 77 near Driscoll, and then up to the north just to the east of Sinton. So again, we've got a little bit of snow in the area, but the real action is out here to the west, and this is going to clip the coastal bend, the northern half along Highway 44 north. This will be coming in the morning, and that'll be it. Prior to daybreak in the morning, I should say. And the northeastern sections of the coastal bend will see more. So here's why it is doing what it's doing. It was all drizzle and rain earlier. We had this warm layer, and from the clouds all the way to the ground was just above freezing. And then this evening, about 8 o'clock, right on schedule, that warm layer shrunk, and consequently it was freezing rain. And then it shrunk even further to just this narrow band, and it changed to sleet. And now that warm air is gone completely. So in the clouds, it's below freezing all the way down to the surface now, and it's snow where it's currently 26 degrees. Make sure you have your pets taken care of. They really need to be inside or in the garage somewhere other than outside. Pipes, drip your faucets. If you haven't wrapped your pipes, the only thing left to do is drip them at the furthest location away from where the water comes into your house. Usually it's the front or back of the house that comes in, but the furthest point away is where you want to drip your faucets. The plants, it's too late for them. They're gone. It's 26 degrees outside, and most of them are going to be dead. And a visit to the nursery will be in order. And people, you want to really use the layered clothing. So freeze warning is out for temperatures tonight in the coastal bend, ranging from 15 inland to 25 on the coast. Winter storm warning for a little bit of ice and still some snow, and then a wind chill warning down to 0. The Storm Shield app has the latest information between our updates on social media and also right here on your station, Chris 6. So that's where we stand right there with the Storm Shield app, including school closures, which most of them have already gone to remote learning, and tomorrow's also a holiday. Looks like winter outside, and it certainly feels like it at 26 with a north wind at 29. Wait till you see the wind chill. 26 degrees right now, and we'll be going down to about 22 with some light snow falling throughout the early morning hours. By the time we get to daybreak, just wind and cold, and 19 at 7 in the morning. You want to be out in that? No, thank you. And northwest winds at 22 miles an hour at the time will drive the wind chill to near 0. That's the actual temperature in Amarillo right now. Well, it's 17 in San Antonio, and we're headed into the upper teens here in Corpus Christi tonight. And as you heard earlier in the broadcast, the lowest temperatures recorded here since 1989. So that's the situation there. Here is the mix to snow in the early morning hours, and then we'll eventually see clearing skies. Here's a close-up of that light snow coming in here at 2 a.m. Watch it if you're going to be up tonight, and then it quickly goes away in the morning. The ice potential still exists up to 0.05 of an inch. So the morning low temperature, well, the morning lows look like this across the region at 19 degrees here with 25 in Port Aransas. And the highs tomorrow will only be in the 30s. At 7 in the morning, the wind chill in Alice will be 1. Here in Corpus Christi, it's going to be 4. 4. Unbelievable. 16 is what it'll feel like tomorrow afternoon with 15 in Corpus Christi. So it's not going to recover much, even though I do think we'll see a little bit of late day sun. And wrapping things up here, 19 tonight, 34 tomorrow. That wintry mix to snow now, late day sun, 21 and 50 on Tuesday. 56 with some light rain Wednesday. Then we digress back into the upper 20s Friday morning before it finally warms up from the deep freeze, and we'll see 70 on Saturday. Katya and Paul will have more right after this. Stay with us.